Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens. Bright
The Cable Group reached number on the Billboard Hot 2010 chart this week, with new English language single David become the first South Korean act to do so. The only way is up for members Lee, Suga, Jin, Jimin, Jungkook, J-Hope, and V, and they are aiming high with plans for a massive tour. Plus, there's the hotly excitedly comeback tweeting about speaking to Metro Kingdom and other press at an online cafe. He on Wednesday morning represent festival, a really big performance to bring together everyone. Their next goal in their career in a BTS straight at the Grammys and possible even a win.
Hi everyone, my name is Nati and I'm going to share to you about an important news about ARMY or BTS fans in Indonesia. Some of you may know that BTS are selling exclusive premium water. This is the picture of the bottle. The bottle has unique drawing which represents its member: Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Lee Younggi, Jung Hoseok, Park Jimin, Kim Taehyung, Jung Jungkook. That's our picture about some members drinking the water.
The COVID-19 pandemic has affected education system worldwide, leading to the near total closures of schools, universities, and colleges. Most governments around the world have temporarily closed educational institutions in an attempt to contain the spread of COVID-19. As of September 2020, approximately 1,277 billion learners are currently affected due to school closures in response to the pandemic. In response to school closures, UNESCO recommended the use of distance learning programs and open editorial applications and platforms that schools and teachers can use to reach learners remotely and limit the disruption of education.
Mercury and the Woodcutter. Long ago, at the beginning of the world, the messenger god Mercury was walking in the woods. Suddenly, he heard someone cry and was not far away. He hurried through the forest and found that it was a lumberjack. When he was cutting down a tree by the river, suddenly his axe fell out of his hand and fell into the river. Now he stands by the river and laments his lost axe. Mercury felt sorry for the woodcutter. How can he make a living without his tool? Unexpectedly, the god dived into the river. Shortly thereafter, Mercury. "No, that is not mine either," said the woodcutter. Surviving with a sigh, he carried the woodcutter's lost axe. The man was overjoyed to get his axe again and very grateful to the god. Mercury was so pleased with the woodcutter's honesty that he presented him with a mass axe once again. Mercury dived into the river, and this time, "Is this your missing axe?" he asked the woodcutter. "Of course." The woodcutter felt tempted for a moment to answer the two axes had. The woodcutter could believe it. He hurried home and the beautiful axe was his. But because he was an honest man, he'll have his luck. Fred and said no, told his friend about it, which of course then Mercury was jealous of it. One of them was so jealous of diving for a second that he was intent on trying his luck. Time and took the axe, the man went to the bank of the river, started cutting down the tree and dropped it the axe into the river. Mercury appeared as before and saw the incident. He dived and brought a golden axe. Silver, then as in the axe belonged to the woodcutter. Without waiting to be asked, the man shouted, that's mine, and reached but angrily. About to take the golden axe, however, Mercury had this man's dishonesty so much that he did not want to give the golden axe, nor did he want to pick up that axe that fell into the river.
The COVID-19 pandemic has affected educational system worldwide, leading to the near closures of schools, universities, and colleges. Most governments around the world have temporarily closed educational institutions in an attempt to contain the spread of COVID-19. As for September 2020, approximately 1.277 billion learners are currently affected due to school closures in response to the pandemic. In response to school closures, UNESCO recommended the use of distance learning programs and open educational applications and platforms that schools and teachers can use to reach learners remotely and limit the disruption of education.
The Magic Tree. A long time ago, little boy was walking through a park. In the middle of the park, there was a witch singing on saying, I am a magic tree. Say the magic first and you will. The boy tried to wish the magic words. He tried a bark shirt, focus, tenara, and many more, but none of them worked. Exhausted, he threw himself on the floor saying, please dear, treat I, and surrounding a big door opened in the turn. Inside everything was dark except for a second, which is side crying on which your magic. Then the boy said, thank you, doctor. With this inside of the tree, it uprighted and reflected by leading to the great people of toy and cloth. The little boy brought his friends domestically and lady hate. The best part ever. The way people always say that please and thank you are the magic words. Thank you.
Hello friends, now I will tell you about the BTS band. The K-pop group reached #1 on the Billboard Hot 100 chart this week with new English language sing Dynamite, becoming the first South Korean act to do so. The only way is up for member RM, Suga, Jin, Jimmy, Jungkook, J-Hope, and V, and they're aiming him with plans for a massive outdoor event as soon as it's safe to do so. Thank you.